In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Photos recognize faces. The ability to recognize faces in your photo library can be a powerful tool. It helps you easily find and organize photos of family, friends, and even pets. Let's dive in and see how we can set this up on your Android or iOS device. First, we need to turn on face grouping. Open the Google Photos app on your device. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This takes you to your account settings. From there, select Photo Settings. You'll see an option for privacy, or it might be labeled as Preferences on some versions of the app. Tap on that. Then, look for the option that says Group Similar Faces. Go ahead and turn on Face Groups. This is a crucial step because it enables Google Photos to start recognizing and grouping similar faces together. With this feature on, organizing photos becomes much easier, saving you time in the long run. Now, let's ensure your photos are uploaded and backed up. Google Photos can only analyze images that are in your Google Photos library, so we need to make sure everything is being backed up correctly. Open Google Photos again and tap on your profile picture. Then navigate to Photo Settings and select Backup. If backup is turned off, you'll want to turn it on. It's important to leave the app connected to Wi-Fi and power. This allows Google Photos to efficiently process your photos. Keeping your photos backed up not only helps with face recognition but also protects your memories. After setting up backup, we need to wait for Google Photos to scan your library. Face recognition is an automatic process in Google Photos. You cannot force it to recognize faces manually. Depending on the size of your photo library, this process can take some time, sometimes hours, days, or even longer for very large libraries. The processing time varies based on the number of photos and Google's server capacity. Patience is key here. Just know that Google Photos is working in the background to analyze and group faces for you. Next up, we will check the People and Pets section to see the results of the face recognition process. Open Google Photos once more. Tap on Collections at the bottom of the screen, then select People and Pets. If Google Photos has recognized faces, you'll see groups of people and even pets neatly organized here. This section makes it incredibly easy to browse through all the photos of a particular person or pet. It's important to note that Google Photos does not provide a button to manually train face recognition on a completely new face. The system automatically detects and groups faces when it has gathered enough information. So if you don't see a specific face immediately, don't worry. It may take a little more time or additional photos for it to appear. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up Google Photos to recognize and organize faces in your photo library. This feature is a great way to manage your digital memories more effectively. Remember, the key is patience and ensuring your photos are backed up for the best results. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy organizing!